Today we show you how to prepare for Amazon seller verification call. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. And as always, let us know in the comments any questions you have, or let us know any other videos you'd like us to make. We do see all of your comments and we do try to reply to all of them. But today we're going to be talking about the seller verification call. So we have done a video like this in the past, but that was last year. So this is a brand new and updated one. So what actually is the seller verification call? So a little while ago, Amazon introduced a new method of onboarding customers when they first sign up for their Amazon account. And this included a phone call with a member of Amazon's team. And you have to show personal documents like passports, driving licenses to prove that you are the person who is actually signing up for this Amazon account. So the reason Amazon introduced this was mainly to reduce fraud and reduce the number of people not following Amazon's terms and conditions. But although it is a bit of a pain when first starting your Amazon account, it can really only be seen as a good thing because it does reduce the amount of bad sellers on a platform who just ruin it for all of us good ones. So when you're signing up for your Amazon seller account, you will have to upload your documents, and it's at this point you'll then book your Amazon seller verification call. Now, if you did want to learn more about the actual signing up process and how to create your Amazon account, we'll link another video just up here. This is our free FBA course, and we do talk about how to actually set up your Amazon seller account in there. So you're about to have your Amazon seller call. What will you actually need for it? So before the call, you want to be as prepared as possible and you want it going as smoothly as possible. So you want to have all of your personal documents which you already uploaded to Amazon ready with you. So depending on the documents you uploaded, this might be your passport, it might be a driver's license, it may be bank statements, it may be a utility bill. But whatever information you uploaded to Amazon, just make sure you have it handy just in case Amazon requires it from you. Now the call itself is actually super easy. You're actually only going to spend about 5 minutes doing anything. The call itself may last about 20 minutes, but a lot of that time is just spent the Amazon rep just putting things into their computer system, whatever they may be doing. Now, all Amazon is going to get you to do is to verify your details. They're just going to be speaking to you, getting to verify your details. You're most likely going to have to hold up your ID. So if you have used a passport, they're going to ask you to hold up your passport next to your face. They may even get you to flick through the pages as well. And this is just to make sure that it is actually a passport. It's not just a screenshot. Other than that, that's usually about it. Now, this verification call can seem a bit daunting when starting your Amazon business, but it is really nothing to be scared of. Amazon aren't trying to catch you out. It is purely just to make their platform a better platform. And as long as you aren't doing anything wrong or anything dodgy, and you are who you say you are not going to have any problems with this call at all. So just go into it, be confident, and it will all be smooth sailing. So once you've finished up with the call with the Amazon rep, you're then just going to have to wait for your account to get approved. This is usually pretty quick, and then once it is all approved, you can actually start selling on Amazon and your FBA journey can begin. And what an exciting journey it is going to be. So that's all about the Amazon seller verification call. As you can see, it's such a short video because it really is simple and it's nothing to be scared of. You don't need to be nervous about it. The keys are just try to be prepared before you get on the call, know what you're going to expect, and you'll soon be getting your Amazon seller account verified. So we hope you found that video useful. If you were interested in joining Profitl, we do have an exclusive YouTube discount code which I'll make pop up just here. It will save you either 5% on yearly plans or 20% on monthly plans. But make sure to hit that subscribe button, and as mentioned earlier, let us know in the comments any other videos you would like us to make. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.